Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a shop with me at HomeSense and a small haul for affordable home decor finds 2025. I'm taking you along to see what's new in the store, especially their fall and Halloween decor, and then I'll be sharing the pieces I picked up along with a few other great budget-friendly finds. If you love home decorating ideas, fall inspiration, and affordable decor dupes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss up my upcoming decorating videos. So today I'm heading into HomeSense to see if they're stocked any new fall items since my last visit. With some of my daycare kids graduating and moving on to school, I was gifted few HomeSense gift cards that have been burning a hole in my pocket. I had a couple of pieces in mind that I was hoping to find, but honestly, this trip was a bit of a letdown. They had tons of pumpkins, beautiful, but I already have plenty and plan to DIY a few more this season. Their Halloween section, though, was really fun, especially if you love Disney Halloween. I was so tempted.
I know who you are. We're sorry. The number you have reached is not in service. Please check the numbers or try your call again.
If you're on the hunt for a wreath, they had a great selection starting at $24.99, which is a pretty decent deal here. What I was really hoping for was a better selection of fall stems, but nothing really spoke to me, and I do find their stems a little pricey. The candle section, however, did not disappoint. It was fully stocked. So in the end, I only picked up one item from HomeSense and it was a bit of a splurge at $30, but I absolutely loved it. Plus, I know I'll be able to use it for years to come just by swapping out the candles. It was still a much more affordable option compared to the version I've seen at Pottery Barn. I also grabbed some pumpkin caramel coffee syrups, but no need to share those here. But I recently grabbed these stems from Temu that I've been loving. I saw them in the fall entryway, so make sure to check out that video. They are a fantastic dupe for the afloral version, and even Amazon has similar ones, and I'll link everything down below so you can grab them from wherever you like. And moving on to Dollarama, they've been a little slow putting out their fall and Halloween decor this year, but I did manage to find a few gems. First up are these oak leaf stems. They come in few different color combination and I think they'll look stunning together in a vase, really capturing the gradual leaf color change we see in the fall. The last stems I picked up were harder to find. I only spotted them in one location, so I'll definitely be hunting for more. I would like to get some more because I plan on using some of them for a DIY do project since they really remind me of the magnolia leaf stems. If you want to see how that turns out, make sure you're subscribed to my DIY channel. I also picked up these suede pumpkins in some gorgeous moody colors. They came as a set for around $3.50. Now I'm going to share a couple of the ones that I already picked up and made over. Some of them you might have already seen in some of my decorating videos that I shared. From Temu, I grabbed a beautiful landscape print. Right now, it's in a DIY frame I made, but I'm keeping an eye out for the perfect vintage frame for it. Next up, these small pumpkins I found are for around for $1.75 each, and I gave them a whole new look to match my fall color. From Dollar Tree, I picked up some wooden leaf cutouts the that I turned into coasters. And from Dollarama, I grabbed a few large pumpkins ranging from $3.50 to $5, which I made over in different styles. All of those DIYs are already available on my DIY channel if you like to check them out. And finally, the thrift store score, a woman pumpkin for $5.99. It was a little too green for my taste, but nothing a quick coat of spray paint couldn't fix. And that's everything for today's HomeSense Shop with Me and a small haul, along with a few other affordable fall finds and DIY makeovers. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your own seasonal decorating. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more fall decorating ideas, budget-friendly dupes, and DIYs coming your way soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.